channel Science of Jyotish. This is my first video, and in this video I'm going to let you know about the Aries personality, the Aries ascendant and the Aries moon sign. This is about the overall personality, the positive traits, the negative traits and some special characteristics. So let's take a step further towards this divine science. The positive traits of the Aries personality are demanding nature. The Aries person is highly demanding in every part of his life. The second personality trait is he can't get manipulated easily. The Aries ascendant or moon sign cannot get manipulated easily or cannot get blackmailed easily. The third positive trait is leading nature or a leader. The Aries are born leaders. They can lead a country, they can lead a team, they can lead anything with quite ease. The next positive trait is being headstrong. Have you seen the ram, the symbol of the Aries? I will post a picture somewhere here, and you can see that the ram is always headstrong. It gets into fights with its heads on. So this is how the Aries personality is. They get into anything with their heads on. The next positive trait is goal-oriented. The Aries personality is always goal-oriented. They are seeking for something. They are seeking their goals in everything they see. They want to know what they can get from anything they are doing. So they are highly goal-oriented. The next positive trait is good management skills. The Aries personality has perfect management skills, though it might differ due to some planetary positions, but overall they have good management skills. The next positive trait is being practical. One of the most practical signs, one of the most emotionless signs, I can say that, is Aries. The next positive trait is being energetic. The Aries person is energetic always. Let it be day or let it be night. They are ready, like a soldier, to get into fight or to get into anything. At any time. The next positive trait is being competitive. The Aries personality might be the greatest competent you might have. He will be the best competitor you can have, and he will also try to win in any possible way. The next positive trait is being highly self-assured and self-reliant. The Aries personality is totally independent. They might not need anybody or anything if they think so. The next personality trait, the positive personality trait, is being extroverted. These Aries personality people are highly extroverted beings, and the same thing makes them charming and bold in nature. You might find the Aries personality being very charming and bold in your first sight, the first time when you see them. So these are the overall positive traits I have observed in the Aries ascendant or moon sign. If you are an Aries personality, an Aries ascendant or Aries moon sign, it might be highly possible that these traits might not go on with you. But this depends on the other various planetary positions. So now let's go towards the negative traits. The negative trait of the Aries personality is being demanding in relations. As I told you before, as this is also a positive trait, the same trait turns into a negative trait when being in relations, when being demanding in relations. The Aries person is highly demanding in all sort of relationships, though it be his family or his love life or his colleagues. He is highly demanding. The next negative trait is having lack of emotional intelligence. These people are emotionally dumb, I can say so. Not in their personal emotions, but understanding the emotions of the person they are dealing with. They are highly aggressive, so they have lack of emotional intelligence. They lack emotional intelligence. The next negative trait is aggressive nature. As the planet Mars being the lord of Aries and being the significator of aggression and energy, the Aries personality is highly aggressive. The next negative trait is being harsh in communications. As I told you, they have aggressive nature. This causes harsh communications with each and every person they meet with. It might not be in every part of life, but this trait is quite prominent. The next negative trait is being impulsive. These Aries personality people work on their impulses. The next negative trait is being stubborn. After Taurus, these are the most stubborn people I have met, and this is my personal observation. They can also be extremists. They have extreme decisions or extreme point of view. They can be extremists. They can be an extremist in anything they want. The next negative personality trait, taking rash decisions. You might see this, that the Aries personality don't think before deciding anything, and this thing turns their decisions into being slightly rash. The next negative trait is being short-tempered. These are the most short-tempered people I have seen in my personal observance. Even some of the great astrologers say so. The next negative trait is hard to accept others' point of view. As I said before, they lack emotional intelligence. That's the reason they can't accept or they can't see others' point of view. They cannot understand others' point of view. The next personality trait, the negative personality trait, is can't listen no. They cannot take a no an answer. They cannot listen to no. The next and the last and the most prominent trait of the Aries personality is being quarrelsome. And this is the most prominent trait I have personally observed in the Aries personality, in the Aries native. So these are the negative traits which I have observed and which I have learned from many of the astrologers, from my own experience and the great literatures. Now I'm going to tell you about the special characteristics of the Aries native. The first special characteristic is they eat less and work more. These are hard workers, some of the greatest hard workers in the society, and they eat less and work more. And the other special characteristic is quick grasping power. Quick grasping power. They can learn anything within minutes. They can know the basic structure of anything within minutes. This is the greatest power they have. I hope you liked my video on the Aries personality. I will also cover up the remaining signs, nakshatras and planets in future. And after the basics are done, we are going to dive deep into the divine science of astrology. So I hope every one of you have liked my video, and I hope you to be together with me in our journey of learning this divine science. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe it now, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified about my new videos. Shri Krishnaya Arpanamastu.